Hi everyone, this is Taha, and in this video I will show you how you can manage your team without paying a member's fee on Notion. So this is a cost-effective solution, and if you have maybe less than 10 members, you can do that. So first of all, if I go to settings and then go to people, you can see that currently I have one paid seat, which is a pro plan. And if you are on free plan, you can add up to 10 guest members. But if you are on a pro plan, you can add up to 100 guest members. So the downfall is that you have to give access to every page or every dashboard to your team member. But if you can do that, you don't have to pay like $10 to $12 a month of that member's fee, but you have to give access to your team members. But if you want to add team members, it will cost you around, without the AI plan, it will cost around $12 a month. And if you have 5 members, it will cost around $60 with yourself. So you can just pay around, maybe you can use it for free, or if you have a pro plan, you can just pay $12 and add your team members as a guest member to each page you want to give access to. So I hope this video was helpful if you're starting out on Notion, because I know how difficult it can be for a team starting out on Notion, that you have to heavily pay on fees if you're just trying out. So once you grow on Notion, you can add your team members on your Notion plan and give access to them as a team member. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.